You're not going to drop her, are you?
No, no.
Thank you.
I don't want her to break her cup and get cut.
Thank you.
Is that going or what?
Yeah.
Do it gently.
Wow, you're good.
Fast. You are so fast.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Hold on. You're getting heavy. Yeah, and you're getting tired. Okay. This one's heavy. No, you can't walk around with that. That's glass.
Wave high. Ready?
Say all done.
Emily. Emily.
Emmy, push it in. We're all done. Push it. Good girl. Push it. Now put the close the door.
This one.
4. What comes after 4? What comes after 4? 5. 6. Boy, you're fast. 7. 8. What's Auntie Lynn doing? Wait. What's that? A sponge? Punch. Sponge. Thank you. Sponge. Okay, wait a minute. Let's put this one back. Wait. There you go. Oh, that one's wet. Close the door.
This one.
Close. Watch your fingers. Okay, here. Put this in. Put that in there. Here. Here's some more. Put them in there. Here's some more. What a good helper. Watch this forks.